Hello everyone, I bring another video on another strategy financial market. In this case, we're going to use average again. We have already used the average in other videos, alright? But in this case, we're going to use another type of average. As I mentioned before, I'm using different averages to test which we don't respect the price action on which only give us made the most success. Remember, that's this video to have the most profitable strategy. And it's good to test and try different strategies. Of course, when you use this strategy, you have to test in the 20 of 30 times. Okay? It's not that you use it 2 or 3 times and say, oh, no, it didn't work. It doesn't work all that way, because you have to train that and practice a lot to understand this. Okay? Let's click to go to the settings. I'm going to add 4 indicators right here. For this video, I'm going to use triangular moving average. 20 for heads, 50 to the orange one, 100 for the whites, and 200 for the blue. For this video, the 200 is not necessary because the triangle moving average is double average. Generally more extensive, and compare this average with others. This average are further apart because in theory, they could give me a possible answer compared to the average is 20. And look at that, we got this right here. Compared to the simple moving average that would be average for 100 or even 50, going to point good amounts of 12. Here I'm going to start with 12 for 1 minute of expiration time. Okay, 1 minute will be my expiration time, and I will simply apply the same concepts from the previous average strategy. Okay. So $12, 1 minute on that. An average breakout and upward or downward depending on the trend. If I'm against this, I'm not going to enter. Alright? Because it could give me the false entry. So when I have the first entry, I'll take and explain it. Alright? So here I have the first entry, the price crossed the to 100 and the price is falling sharply. If you look here, it's breaking in half. Alright? Making the post and falls, breaking candle, but the candle are they are reject. The interesting things about this, guys, is here I see the gap, and here we can apply this concept of price action. That is the price fall sharply and wait to see the strong reaction, at the point based on the trend. I could enter upward and downward. In this case, it will be the upward, and can observe the previous moment, and the price is rise over the time, and it will be a strike into the enter on the upward, mitigate the gap. Okay, and let's see, there are only a few seconds left for this, 9 seconds, and that will be pretty good. Could be because this candle is rejection, guys. That's good. And look at this, we got our first one, our first win. That is pretty good. I waited for the second candle to see confirmation. If it indeed rejects me, I enter an upward again based on the 100 every return. Okay.
Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.
Since the average is the one that rules, and that is the buy button. Alright? I always read with the upper one, and white cat is giving me a tie, salary is giving me a tie. But it's for now, guys, we need to wait for that. Okay, let's see that's what's gonna happen. Alright, but for now, that's pretty good. Let's see that. Yeah, that's a draw. That is a draw, alright. For a second, I almost gave him the second on then, and this is not happened. Alright. Let's mark the resistance zone of this. It's located more or less the average and the whole zone in an order block. Let's look at before more closely. Well, what is the order block? Let's look at the 30 seconds. 30 seconds. or so the criterion. Okay, now we're going to use ME1. Let's see that in the 30 seconds. Look at that. Come on, baby. Let's go with this. Let's see that in 30 seconds. You can see that more detail. Look at the answer here. These are where the tires occurs at this point. Oh yeah, that is right. And there's still the rebound average. This is my projection. On the 30 seconds analysis indicated the same thing to me. What position? 2, 1. We got these. Oh my gosh, baby. $38 of profit in the total my account. Oh yeah, I'm already halfway there. When I'm halfway there, I'm on my hands. Land. It may come back and go up, or it may go up and fall, guys. Second position gaining. That's the free position. I'm going to wait for the last one. All right. Oh my gosh, that was so good. I've been watching this. And that's the downward movement. There's a channel for that one breaking. That's looking at moving average, guys, and with the M3. And practically for the 51, that's a down and good position. All right. Distance from the other, it's very far. So I may have the downward movements, which is the analysis. I'm showing the price is crossing the trend line very strongly. I'm showing this some channel passes. Look at this. And well, if the strong financial markets candle, it's sometimes good to take the direction, because look at this. It's breaking everything at once. Well, I think we're going to see news, and well, the movement is clear international.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
Because of something that's happening right now. And wow, position almost on this 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom! Got this again. $71. That's pretty good. I waited, guys. I waited for that. Thank goodness. I waited for that. Was watching the pair. You are watching this pair too, but this pair won't confirm anything good for me. But this one break everything downward when there's a new. That strategy is going to work, because look, is now it's going to rebound here. It's going to rebound here, and it's going to rebound here. And look at this blow, and it's going away. It's better to watch the trend to see the kind of movement is coming, and based on the analysis of winter. It's not that it's going to enter on the average, guys. It's better to wait for it or reaction, because I was waiting to see. Thanks so much for this video. I wish you to subscribe to the channel. Have a good day, guys. $12 to 71. And see you. Bye-bye.